Hello, it's Rachel. Today's project's going to be an ATC, and I'm beginning here by adding some patterned paper by 7 Gypsies to my cardstock. I'm using golden matte medium to apply it with, and then once this is dry I trim the edges, and then to move the text more into the background I add a layer of diluted chalk paint by Paper Artsy. For the focal image on my ATC, I've chosen a stamp by Invoke Arts. I'm stamping this onto some lightweight cardstock using VersaFine ink in Onyx Black before colouring it using some Inktense watercolour pencils. Here I've stamped a few little hearts from the same tag stamp so that I can cut these out and use them to embellish my ATC. After this I add some of the Inktense pencils around the border, and then I attach my images. To add some additional interest on the background, I've chosen to use a bottle cap that I'm dipping in some gesso to produce some rings. After this, I select some text for my ATC, and this is from a Cosmo Cricut sticker set. This is my itty bitty background stamp, and I'm going to use this to stamp some splatters onto the page using archival ink in jet black. Once this is completed, as a final embellishment, I go over all the little hearts using some Ranger Glossy Accents. That is everything for today. I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, I do appreciate it when you hit the like button or leave me a comment. If you would like a full product list, you'll find that in the video description, as well as details about my social media. That includes my Facebook Mixed Media Challenge group.